Hello dear listeners, here is a second practicum lesson, and today I'm going to show you some trick. Sometimes we have situation when we need to convert word to bits, and as you know, one word consists of 2 bytes and 1 byte consists of 8 bits. So one word consists of 16 bits, and sometimes we need to convert it, for example, when we have alarm and it's better to transform between PLC and HMI word. So we have a different situation. We have some alarms in left side as inputs, and we have some word in right side as output. But today we're going to see how to create function to convert word to bits, and it will be our own function. It will be created using SCL language, so we can call this function. And as you see, it's pretty easy. As input we have input word, as output we have 16 bits. And in our function we have just set in word bit 0 set to bit 0 as we use as output. So it's pretty easy. We don't need to create some really hard stuff. So we can call this function in our main block and we can use it again anytime. And of course we have db to store all variables, to store input word and to store output word. So we can compile our project, we can download it, and it will be something like conversion from decimal to binary. And as you understand, when we have 16 bits, a maximum value will be 65,535. And if we go to main block, when we call our converter functions and we can monitoring this value, you can see that here is 0 and we have all bits as false. And we can modify it, modify to, for example, 255, and we have some bits as true. We have 0 bit true, second bit true, etc. If we switch to SCADA, because I created SCADA to display it more, and I created the same situation, but I used lamps, and here is 0 bit, first bit, and here is 7 bit, 8 bit, 9 bit. So we can set 0, and all bits will be 0, and I can show, for example, 1 first lamp, 8 it will be for lamp, and 255 it will be first row, and maximum value 65,535. Yeah, and we'll have all, everything as turning on. And I created also slider in order to show it really quickly. Yeah, so just model of reproduction. That's it. So today you understand how to transfer, how to convert word to bits, and of course you can convert bits to word, and you can convert using different mods, but sometimes you have functionality to that in a TIA portal you don't have, so you need to create your own function. We'll see in next lessons.